Hello guys, welcome back to Vajvar's YouTube channel. Okay, this video is for those students who got some startup ideas. Okay, if you are an entrepreneur or an alumni or a student if you have a startup idea or if you have a great startup, then you can apply to this program that has been launched by NIT Tiruchirappalli. Okay, so let us get into the details. Getting into the details, you can see that first, let us go for the NIT Tiruchirappalli website. You can search for NIT Tiruchirappalli website, and after clicking on this link, you will be led to this. Okay, you will be taken into the website where you will find call for innovative startup ideas. Okay, after clicking on this, you will be taken into this. This banner will be open in front of you. Okay, you can see this flyover. In this flyover, you can see that NIT Tiruchirappalli Center for Entrepreneurship Development and Incubation. Okay, this is established as Section 8 under Companies Act 2013. Okay, so what they are doing is they are making a call for innovative startup ideas. They are asking students, see here you see who can apply. Eligibility to apply: individuals or entity, any company or individuals can apply for this. Okay, if you have a prototype or your project is most valuable, you can apply. Or young aspiring entrepreneurs, if you are an young aspiring entrepreneur who want to make a company for yourself, then you can apply for this. Student, faculty, research scholar, alumni, you can be any one of these to apply here. Professionals or engineers, you can be a professional or an engineer. Social impact entrepreneurs, if you have any ideas that can make an impact on social conditions of human beings, you can apply. Okay, women entrepreneurs, etc. Anybody with a good startup idea can apply here. Okay, so this is the focus area. So on what technologies or what is the domain on which you can submit your startup ideas? Disruptive technology and advanced manufacturing. If your startup idea is disruptive in nature, like you can bring new disruption in this advanced technology, like AI or something, or in the manufacturing side, you can make any possible changes. You can reduce the current amount of burden, or you can reduce time, or any innovative ideas. Okay, the other one is governance and financial services. Okay, if you can make any apps or anything related to that, you can bring in those ideas. Consumer products and services. Okay, in consumer products and services also, agri and health education, sustainability and environment, social impact of and community. Okay, these are the areas on which it is focusing. And the other one is what CDI offers. So what you will get from there if your project got selected. See here, you can observe that last date to apply is 31st August 2024, and selection starts from September. So once September begins, from 1st of September onwards, they will start selecting. Okay, so here you can see innovative support. What they are going to offer is they will offer support in terms of innovation. Like if you have an idea and you are struggling to make it innovative, they can help you make it further innovatively after evaluating. They will provide economic support, funding support. Okay, startup boot camps. If you want to conduct a boot camp, they can help you in conducting the boot camp or launching a boot camp. Access to modern infrastructure. So they will provide access to the infrastructure they have established. See here, you can see this company, they have established a company and a section, so they can mentor you. Here you can see mentoring and networking. They can provide you connections with the existing network. Some of the startups might have already started there, so they can mentor you and they can connect you with them. Networking can be built. Incubation support. You can make your project over there. They will provide you the incubation support. So how to register? You can register by scanning here this QR code, or you can click this Google form. Okay, after clicking this Google form, you will be taken into this section. Okay, so here, embark on your entrepreneurial journey with call for innovative, aspiring. Okay, through mentorship from industry experts. So they will collaborate with industrial experts and they will allow you the mentorship. Okay, access to cutting edge resources. They will provide access to their resources. Vibrant entrepreneurial ecosystem. Participants will harness their creativity to shape the future of industries. Join us in pioneering innovative and driving impactful change in global market. Okay. So what they are telling is, please answer each question. You need to answer each and every question. If you do not know the answer, then write not applicable. Okay. So here in the first page, they will be taking your mail ID. After that, you can click next. And here I have kept not applicable because I don't have any plans and I'm not applying right now. So you can apply and you can continue for the process. Okay. In case if you have watched this video till the end, please share it with one of your friend who had an idea of the startup. Okay. And please do subscribe for more such related videos and content. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching our channel.